Good morning. So today I'll be doing the experiment number 9 for the AOS lab series, and today we'll be working on named and unnamed pipelines. So this is for this is an example for communication between two devices. So let's see. A pipe is a one-way communication basically. So uh, like a client can chat with the server or vice versa, and so we can invoke each other's processes, etc. And we are going to run this today. um, the code, okay, so um, what we have to do is, uh, so when we look up the difference between pipes and named pipes, a pipe is an inter-process communication mechanism for message passing between process in a system, whereas an unnamed pipe is only for communication between a parent and its a child and its parent process, while a named pipe can be used for communication between two unnamed processes as well. So when we go into I tried to implement the code, but there were a lot of errors, so I got stuck with that. But I'll just be reading through the code and explaining what I attempted. So um, first, we'll see the unnamed pipe. So there's a phrase called a phrase of text, and that we are passing to the parent process. And in the this unnamed pipe, it will be executed, and in the parent reader, the parent will read the message sent by the child. Here in this is the same process only, but so it will be like a separate instance. So the parent will read that and just print it. That is all that's going to be there in the unnamed pipe. So in a named pipe, we are putting it as two parts. One is the sender part, and the other is the receiver part. So in that, yeah, we can see that here also we have a phrase of text, um, and we'll check if pipe is like we can create a pipe or not, and if possible, okay, then uh, we try to establish uh, we check okay into the pipe name, then okay, we check the number on that. mm, okay, we check the pipe, we check the numbers, port numbers, and if the pipe can be created or not. So if it is possible, it will create the pipe. mm, Otherwise it cannot. That is on the sender side. On the receiver side, it will be in a waiting state. So no, I'll- sorry about that. I'll check if pipe exists or not, and if it exists, it will execute and print the results. So this is just the I'll say rather an enhanced pseudo code. Um, I could not execute it because of the errors. So this is all for today. Thank you.